The nail gel got delivered yesterday, so I'm heading to the pickup station to pick it. Hello guys, welcome back to my simple is classy world. In case you're new here, I'm Crescent Philly. Welcome so much. It's good to see you. And without wasting more of your time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I'm going to be reviewing this nail gel. Yes, I got it from Jumia. It was 319 Kenyan shillings. The shipping fee was 166 Kenyan shillings. And I feel like that is very affordable. So we are going to review this and see if the product inside is worth the affordability. Let's jump right into the action. We are going to start off with the items that I'm going to be using. So here we have a normal nail file, some coconut oil for our cuticles, a colorless nail polish, a nail polish remover, this shea butter lotion for our hands afterwards, and a nail cutter. For the star of the show, we have the nail gel itself. It's from Jumia, as I said, and let's unbox together. It's packaged nice. To be honest guys, I didn't understand the color. I don't know which color is this. If you know, comment down below. And now this is how we look. This is how our nails looks before, and we're going to start off by cutting them short and filing them to smoothen them.
Nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it can build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough.
And now I'm just filing the top part of my nails. Guys, comment down below what you think about making a nails at home. Which option is better, making a nails at home or going to the salon?
Can't hear that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear.
Here I'm just wiping off my nails with a piece of tissue. The nail gel that I'm going to be using is from Coscelia, and I'm just going to start applying it on my bare nails. I've not applied anything, so yeah.
Sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it.
It turned out quite nice, and here I'm just using the nail polish remover to remove the extra nail gel on my skin.
If I keep moping, I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the
Applying the nail gel on my right hand was the hardest part, guys. I don't know about you if you face the same challenge as me, but this was the most hardest part. I was shaking.
Let the thoughts build up until I can't hear. Let my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear.
And finally, this is what we look like after applying the first coat. As I am waiting for the gel to dry, this happened. OMG, the first heartbreak in this video. Like, look at those nails, how they turned out so bad. So I decided to take them out and start over again. Like, apply the gel again. Oh gosh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got.
It took so long to remove this. It was so hard. I was feeling frustrated, and I don't know what was happening this day. Heartbreak 2 happens. This is my nail remover. It fell off. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Finally, this is how we look after removing the gel, and I decided to use this nail polish as my, is it bottom coat? You guys, you understand. So I let it dry.
Up to the game, bro. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bro.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working.
After drying, I decided to try with one hand, so I went in with the nail gel, first coat of it.
So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want.
What I did different to dry the gel this time round, I went in the sun to dry it. I was so amazed with how this turned out. It dried so perfectly. Like, you don't need a UV lamp, you have your natural UV lamp.
I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
After drying, I went in with the second coat. After this dried, I went in with the colorless nail polish as my top coat to finish this off. What I did to my left hand, I also did that to my right hand. And heartbreak 3 comes in again. Struggling to remove the excess or the extra nail gel on the skin. If you are doing your nails at home and you are using gel, Please remove the excess nail gel on your skin as you go. Don't wait for it to dry because it will disturb you. I struggled. I used every means that I could. After removing the excess nail gel on the skin for a while, it turned out nice but not perfectly, so I went in with the coconut oil on the cuticles, and I feel like we are somewhere. So far we are somewhere. It was my first time trying this at home, and I feel like I was somewhere. I did something, and definitely I will try this again. I went in with my lotion to apply on my hands, and this is what we look like. Not the perfect, but nice. And this is what we look like after I tried to remove like it all. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.